welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very awesome unboxing for you guys. I got my package on Monday and today is Thursday and I have not gotten into it and I've been dying, but I would have made this video a lot sooner. But honestly, I have been going through the worst pain ever, or tooth pain ever. I need a root canal, so if you notice that my right side of my face is a lot more swollen than this side, it's because I need a root canal and I let it get infected. And if you have ever needed a root canal and not done anything about it when the dentist tells you to do and says it's going to be painful, you know, and thinking that since about 2 years ago I went through this same exact killer pain and I didn't do anything about it, and now it's infected and it is so painful, and I have been going through it since like Sunday night, and it's just been super hard, and I haven't gotten ready or anything like that, so I didn't want to do my video looking a hot mess. And today I had to get ready, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and get this unboxing out of the way because of course I'm dying to see the bag. It is my very first Balmain bag. I am so excited. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so to start off with, the packaging I was not happy with. As soon as it came in, I was like, what the heck is this? It was wrapped in this clear see-through, I think it's called Forziri is where I got it from, and it was just wrapped up, the box was just wrapped up in this, so it was totally see-through. It doesn't say Balmain on the box, but it was still very see-through. My box even got damaged, which I wasn't happy with. I mean, they could have easily put this in a box and shipped it to me, and it came in this see-through plastic, and I was just totally not happy with it. I really, as soon as it came in and I saw that the box was damaged on the corners and how it was packaged, I really wanted to get into it and see how the bag was. But once I started getting everything out, it was packaged up with tape and stuff like that. And I really wanted to share with you guys a true unboxing experience from this company because I have never ordered from them before. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the box that it came in, and it was wrapped in that see-through little packaging there. And you can see like on the corners, it's like very like just beat up, you know, and it's really not a big deal, but I mean, anybody could have easily seen these and thought they were a pair of shoes and, you know, stolen them or kept them or anything like that. So I just really wish this would have been in like a regular brown box with no writing. And yeah, that's the box that it came in. As soon as you open the box, it looks just like this. And it comes with a thank you from them. And then it's really nice because on the bottom, it says your order has been prepared by, and mine says Luca. So if you ever have any problems with your packaging or anything like that, which, I mean, that's, I guess, how they package their stuff, so you couldn't complain about that. But they have their name of who actually packaged it for you. So that is very nice. And it's just a thank you card. We want to make sure you receive the pampering you deserve and are completely satisfied with your purchase. So that is that little thank you card that it comes with. So now let's get into it. It just comes with nice paper. I'm very glad that it was, you know, just, there you go. It was nice and hidden under that paper, so that's good that they protect whatever is in the box. They don't just throw it in a disc bag and in a box. And this is how it came wrapped in there. It didn't come, you know, like with a Balmain box or anything like that. I've never had their bags before, so I don't know if they actually do come with boxes. I'm sure they do. But it came like this, taped right here on this side and taped over here on this side, and then taped like that with a Forziri sticker. I really hope I'm not butchering the name, but this store is from Italy, and I think it came here pretty fast. In the description down below, I'll let you know what day I bought it and when I got it, like how long shipping takes, because if you live in the United States, you might think, oh my gosh, it's gonna take forever to get to me. It really didn't. I think it took a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks at the most. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I am seeing the big B right here. So it looks like it came in a Balmain dust bag. So I'm super excited. Yes, it did. So this is the dust bag that it came with. It has these little drawstrings right here, and it opens just like so. So that is the dust bag, and it's a really good sized dust bag. As you can see, the bag is right here, and it's like a longer dust bag. Oh my gosh, I got a little sighting of the bag. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. So I got the beautiful logo plaque crossbody, and it looks just like this. As you can see, something is totally hanging here. It is the tassel. It is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Let me take a good look. Wow, it is beautiful. And online, I will insert a clip of what the actual picture looks like online, because I think it's the way you look at it. It just looks like a totally different blue. It's like this beautiful royal, like Los Angeles Dodger blue. And it has this beautiful tassel, which the tassel was like a must for me. I love it. I was really in between this one or getting the black one with gold hardware. I really am trying to get less black bags. I feel like black is all I wear. So it's kind of like, that's all I want to buy. Every time I think of a bag, I'm like black with gold hardware. But I have so many, so many black bags with gold hardware that I said, you know what? I'm going to get a little bit out of my comfort zone, still go with the gold hardware, but get this beautiful blue color. And I love it. I don't know, honestly, how I feel about the blue with the black tassel. I don't know if, and of course it's a little bent, and it is leather. It is made of, the tassel is leather, but it's a little crooked from the way it was packaged. But I'm sure over time it'll straighten out. Okay, I'm gonna quit talking and show you guys the bag. It is this beautiful mirrored bag, and it says Balmain obviously all over it. And it is like a beautiful metal, you know, it's definitely is gonna get scratched. It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So let me see the beautiful chain, because that's one thing that I was, oh wow. Okay, so this is the back of it. It's just like this shiny metallic. Oh, the top is obviously super heavy. So to open it, you kind of have to hold the top of the bag. So it came with this in here. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. Oh, I found the chain. Let me go ahead and get it unwrapped. I'm looking at the chain, and I think it's pretty, but I am still a sucker for chains, and the YSL one is still my absolute favorite. I'm gonna go ahead and connect it for you guys so you can see what it looks like with the chain. So this is the chain, and this is, you know, what it looks like with the chain on. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I don't know if I really like the tassel with the blue, and I'm looking here and you can't even detach the tassel. It is on there, and it's this beautiful tassel that says Balmain. I don't know if you can read it. There you go. Maybe, and then it has a number on the back of the tassel, and the number is 104. So I don't know what that means, but that's pretty cool. And that's what that looks like. And it is just this beautiful, beautiful bag. Oh my gosh. I'm really obsessing over this color. It's just a beautiful pop of color, especially for spring, going out in the spring. Okay, so in here, I will show you the interior. It does have like the care card, which is awesome that it came with that. Okay, so it comes with the care card. And it came stuffed inside as well. And it also came with this tag right here, read before removing. And then it has the name of the store, and it just says quality label, do not remove in case of return. So I guess this is basically just the tag like the Real has and just like Fashion File has, that if you want to return it. I don't think this website is anything pre-loved or anything like that. This is definitely a brand new bag, and I think everything on the website is brand new, to be honest. I didn't see one thing that said anything about being pre-loved or anything like that. So I will, oh my gosh, the top is super, super heavy. So you're literally gonna have to hold on to it whenever you try to get into it. This is the interior of it. Right here, it doesn't say like how the Saint Laurent bags have it right here. It doesn't say Balmain or anything like that, which is fine. This is the way they do it. And as you can see, it has the magnetic closure. It has the little blue tape right now. And I probably won't take it off. I'm just a little loony about that. And then that's the interior. So it has card space. It has 3, it looks like 6. Oh no, it has 4. And then it has a little pocket here. I hope you can see that. Maybe not. There you go. So you just open that and it's like a little slip pocket, which is nice. This is what that looks like. Let me see. Are these cards? No, they're just, I guess, to show you that. Oh, come on. I guess they're just to show you that you can put some cards in there, which is nice. It only holds 4, which is more than enough, because when you wear a bag like this, you're only gonna wear it, well, I'm only gonna wear it for like something to go out for the evening, and I'm not gonna need a million cards in there. So yeah, that is what it looks like. I am in love with it. I am definitely gonna include some body shots or mod shots or whatever you guys call them, because I know that whenever I'm looking at videos, I definitely wanna see how it lays on the body. So this is what it looks like. I'll move my shirt so you can actually see the beauty of the tassel. It is just beautiful. I absolutely love this bag. I'm very happy that I went with the blue. I'm just still thinking about the black one with gold hardware, but there is the beautiful blue. I am so glad I went with this one though. It's just such a statement, like out there piece, and I'm so for that. It is gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I'm very happy. It does open quite a bit, so you're gonna be able to fit quite a bit in there. See there, I hope it's focusing. And then see, it's like this metallic. There's so many different colors. There's even like a silver, like metallic, that's like a iridescent color. That's beautiful. There's black, obviously. There is a gunmetal one that is like a, literally all of this is like a shimmery silver with a gunmetal Balmain written all over it. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. So I am totally happy with this bag. It's gorgeous, super gorgeous. Anyways, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.